Hey guys, so I'm going to do a fire alarm review today. So this is a Simplex 4251 single action T-bar pull station. This I bought on eBay for I believe around $25 because it was old and used. So yeah, it's got paint on the sides of it. It was installed previously in a building. This is the older line of Simplex T-bars. I'll get you a newer one that I could show you. This is brand new. I forgot to reset it, but this is a brand new one compared to it. It's a lot better condition, and it has a LED indicator when it gets pulled. But yeah, so this one pulls like a regular T-bar. When you reset it, you just take the B key. But with this one, it's different. So basically, when you pull it and to reset it, you don't normally for the T-bars you would go to the right, but for this one, you're going to turn to the left, open it, and then close it. So here's from the side, here's from the back, here's from the other side, and then here's the front. And let me show you what it looks like inside the actual unit. This is button when it gets released, it sets off, it closes the circuit. And here is the actual where all the action happens. It's what it told me. There's a little space in there for the brake rod too. That pretty much sums it up. Thanks for watching.